Describing people. Describing appearance. He or she is, I am, they or we or you are. Young. Old. Thin. Fat or overweight. Beautiful. Handsome. Short. Tall. Hair. She has red hair. She has blonde hair. She has black hair. She has gray hair. He has short hair. She has long hair. He has a mustache. He has a beard. He is bald. When describing hair, we usually say the color after the adjective. For example, he has short, black hair. She has long, brown hair. Describing personality. She is funny. He is smart. She is shy. She is friendly. He is lazy. She is boring. He is stupid. He is hardworking. Your turn. How would you describe yourself? If you're on social media, don't forget to follow us. We are on many different platforms. Also, if you are interested in free classes, don't forget to tell your friends about us.